Let's say you went to the movies or you went to a restaurant that you absolutely love, wanting to tell the world about it. You're like, oh my gosh, this movie, this restaurant was amazing, and now I've got to tell the world. So you run to your family, friends, whatever, you text whoever, and you're like, oh my God, that was an amazing restaurant, or that was an amazing movie, you've got to go see it. You are basically marketing that product, but you are not earning a commission from it. And guys, we market products all day long, no matter if it's the glasses I have on, the coffee I drink, clothing we wear, the activities we do. We are constantly marketing products for people, because a lot of us now watch, Netflix or Hulu, or, we're streaming some type of show online. Companies are now coming to us to promote their products because nobody is watching commercials anymore. Back in the day, that's how products were promoted, from soap to laundry detergents to cars. You would watch these commercials and they would inform you about that product, and then you were like, oh my God, I'm interested in that product, I'm going to go buy it. Well, these companies are changing things and they're looking for people like you and I to promote their products for them, and that is kind of the breakdown of what a digital marketer or an affiliate marketer is. I like saying I'm a digital marketer because I promote more than one thing and they're all digital.